Here.
Open up all this set of doors and this set of doors. And
No, why? No.
Oh, that's a shitty one. She's boomerang to stop around.
come here. You want some? Bring it to mommy. You want help? Yes. You happy?
Aí. A carrocinha.
Ready, go!
Hey, Bills. I'm gonna go take a shower, okay? Don't let nobody get mommy. Don't let nobody get... Thank you, buddy. Thank you for looking out for me. I love you. Don't let him get me.
Buddy? That's not looking too good, bud. I don't think you realize what's going on, buddy. What are you...
My coffee. Hey, hey. Look at me. Were you drinking that coffee? Huh? You need to get your own coffee. Get your own coffee.
You're actually not allowed to have donuts. No, you're not allowed to have donuts.
Okay, new challenge. Wait till your dog's sleeping, then take one of his favorite treats and put it under his nose and see if he wakes up.
Timmy, can you tell me why you're, pressed against the cantaloupe like that? No? Okay. You do you.
Так, Тёма, давай вдох. И не дыши, как на рентгене. Утяжка.
You so fast. You're so hungry. You look like I just didn't feed you earlier. Come on, Max. Okay, easy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, you can have it. You can have it. Yes, he won. All right, I'll leave.
Why is it spicy?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
John's personal pit bull bodyguard was a tough guy, known to be very violent. He would do anything from making him tons of money to killing for him to protecting him. His name was Angelo Ruggiero.
Say
Sing a song.
good
No.
morning. Enough! You just don't get it, do you? Danger is my middle name.
Wrong.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Dude, I need people to stop telling me, like, you're so white, your family's so white, dude. Because, like, yeah, we're white, but, like, we don't do stupid white people stuff. I don't know. Anyways,
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
You started it. Marvin. Marvin. Did you have to use the claws? Oh, yeah. He brings in the big guns, you run.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready?
Okay, guys, let's go wake up your sister. Now she's up. Now she's up.
Huh?
Leave. No. Leave him alone. Go away. What are you doing? Leave it. Thank you.
Oh, he wants it. It's coming back.
Don't you dare, I swear to God. Square his shoulders.